My name is John Schleis. I'm the coordinator for Gifts for Seniors. I've been here roughly 3 years. Gifts for Seniors has been around for 31 years. We're in the 10-county metro area, providing basic needs and other resources in the senior community.
I'm Jordi Teillard-Cui, and I'm the Adult and Senior Programs Coordinator at Gladstone Community Education Center. And back in December 2023, I was just looking online and found your website. And Carolyn Dieter put me in contact with you, and then you sent me all the forms to get it started. And the previous weekend I was at Menards, and I remember seeing the blue barrels with that logo, and I said, "Oh, that's what they're doing."
So these are the barrels that go out throughout these 10-county metro area, and most of the barrels that we have, over 100 of them, is where Jordi had found one at Menards. And so this is where the donations come into. They go into the barrel. We get a phone call saying the barrel is full. We have volunteers that go and pick up the items from the barrel and then bring them in, and we get them back on the shelf so people continue the shopping for the seniors.
So it was on the holiday gift wish list. There was just like a list of gifts, and then the seniors could choose a first choice and a second choice. And I remember that actually one of our seniors was just telling me that her coffee maker broke down. And then she saw that on the list there was like a small appliances, but she said, I'm never gonna get a coffee maker. You know, it's way too big of a gift. So I encouraged her to actually put this as a first choice and put something else as a second choice. And then when she received the gift and opened it and found out that she actually was a coffee maker, she really burst into tears.
Those are the testimonies that we like to hear, because those are moments that we can share and everybody else can share, and that's what brings everyone together, because it only makes one person to make a difference and make everything a much better situation. So for the gift bags, we do spring, and then we do a fall, which is generally themed with a fall safety bag as well, just a different type of a bag. And then we have a holiday bag that we do, and that's pretty much devoted more towards, the Meals on Wheels program, just because of what it would take to get the information we would need for shopping and things of that nature. But this works. It makes it easy for them to distribute, and then by having this, we're able to reach out to more people where otherwise we wouldn't have that. And plus, as well as getting the gift, the Meals on Wheels, it's just bringing another social visit to the seniors. So last year, for our holiday program, for which we're most known, is November and December, and we did over 8,000 gifts. Some of these seniors, it might be the only time they would even get a gift from anybody. And that is, those are the things that we hear. This is the only gift that I received this year. Every gift that leaves our office has a personal card, a personal note in it, and that makes a big difference.
Just wanted to read a note that we received back in August 2024. Dear Gift for Seniors, I sure enjoy surprises. Your kindness in gathering gifts for us at the Gladstone Community Education Center is so appreciated. Incredible that you are able to match gifts to our interest. You are generous in giving time to collect all of the items. Please know it brought me smiles. Thank you. God bless you.
And that's what it's all about.